Hi everyone, I'm Yoshiaki Koizumi, general producer of Nintendo Switch.
Nope.
Players the world over are already enjoying Nintendo Switch and its growing catalog of games. I'd like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to each of you. That's the Nintendo Switch you know and love. And this fall, it will be joined by a new addition to the family.
Oh, hell no!
Introducing Nintendo Switch Lite.
Frag out!
This version of Nintendo Switch is dedicated to handheld play. And as such, it's compact, lightweight, and easy to take with you on the go. The front of the system looks like this. Here's a side view for you. And this is how it looks on the back. Nintendo Switch Lite will be available in 3 different colors.
360!
Yellow, gray, and turquoise.
Fatality.
Now, please take a look at this.
Meanwhile.
So, how'd it look? With Nintendo Switch Lite joining the family, you'll have an option that's optimized for handheld play. In terms of features, Nintendo Switch Lite differs a bit from the flagship Nintendo Switch system. Here, let me show you. First off, since Nintendo Switch Lite is a dedicated handheld, it won't connect to a TV.
Bruh. FBI, open up! Stop right there, criminal scum!
To make it easy to take with you, the main unit and control inputs are integrated into one piece of hardware. The directional buttons have been swapped out for a plus control pad. In fact, the control inputs are different from the Joy-Con controllers included with the flagship Nintendo Switch system. And so, the IR motion camera and HD rumble features have been removed.
Bruh.
That means you'll need additional Joy-Con controllers to play games like 1-2 Switch, which require motion controls.
Bruh.
With Nintendo Switch Lite, you can play all Nintendo Switch games that support handheld mode. Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, Super Mario Odyssey, The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and many more can be played. To see if a game supports handheld mode, check the back of the software packaging, right here. Since Nintendo Switch Lite differs a bit from the flagship Nintendo Switch in terms of features, please visit our website for some help deciding which one is right for you. The Nintendo Switch family's newest addition, Nintendo Switch Lite. It's a dedicated handheld, so it's nice and easy to take it with you. It's always more fun to have options. And now you can find your way to play with the Nintendo Switch family of systems.